Write down the following chords. C minor 7. First is C. Third for minor is 3 semitones up. E flat. Fifth is plus 4 semitones, G. And seventh is minus 2 semitones from the octave, so B flat. C minor 7 is C, E flat, G, B flat. F major 7. First is F. Third is plus 4 semitones, A. Fifth plus 3 semitones is C. And major 7 is a semitone from the octave, E. The chord is F, A, C, E. D minor 7, flat 5. First is D. Third minor is plus 3 semitones, F. Fifth diminished is plus 3 semitones. Remember, we go up 4 for the fifth perfect. So now it's one less semitone, A flat. And seventh is 2 semitones from the octave, C. The chord is D, F, A flat, C. G augmented. First is G. Third major is plus 4 semitones, B. Fifth is plus 3 semitones, D. And we take it one more semitone up to make it augmented, D sharp. The chord is G, B, D sharp. B flat sus4. First is B flat, third is plus 4 semitones D, and fifth plus 3 semitones F. Here we need a pause. We said that for sus4 chords we replace the third of the chord with the fourth of the scale. So here we need to know B flat major scale key signature in order to replace with the right note. B flat major. Remember the flat sequence? B flat is the first flat of the sequence and the scale we are looking for. So we have one more flat for the key signature, B flat and E flat. So for the chord B flat sus4, we replace D, the third, with E flat, that is the fourth, and F is the fifth. So B flat, E flat, F. Find the chord names. Have in mind that some of the chords might not be in the root position, and also some can have more than one right answers. D, F, A. As we see, these notes are in sequence, first, third, fifth. So we have a D chord, the third is F, and it's 3 semitones from the bass, so D minor, and the fifth is plus 4 semitones from the third. The chord is D minor. E flat, G, B flat, D. We have in sequence first, third, fifth, and seventh. So the chord is E flat. The third is plus 4 semitones, so major. The fifth is plus 3 semitones. And the seventh is 1 semitone from the octave, so major 7th. The chord is E flat major 7. E, G, A, C. For these notes, we don't have a sequence of a chord, so we must invert the notes in order to have an 1, 3, 5 sequence. Let's take the E note an octave higher, G, A, C, E. We still don't have the right sequence. Let's make G an octave higher, A, C, E, G. Now the intervals are 1, 3, 5, 7. So we have an A chord. If we make one more inversion, we'll have C, E, G, A, with intervals 1, 3, 5, 6. So we have also a C chord. Let's see which exactly are the chords. A plus 3 semitones plus 4 semitones is an A minor, and the seventh is 2 semitones for the octave, so seventh minor, and the chord is AM7. If we go from C, we have C major 6. It's the first, third, fifth, and sixth of the C major scale. F sharp, B, D. This is obviously an inversion. We must make an 1, 3, 5 sequence. B, D, F sharp is the right sequence. So B plus 3 semitones plus 4 semitones is the B minor chord recipe. G, B flat, D, E. This is an 1, 3, 5, 6 sequence. So G plus 3 semitones plus 4 semitones equals to G minor chord, and E is 3 semitones from the octave. The chord is G minor 6. A flat, C, D, F. This is also an inversion. Where do we have an 1, 3, 5 sequence? In two positions, D, F, A flat, C, and F, A flat, C, D. If we start with D, we have D plus 3 semitones plus 3 semitones, and C is 2 semitones from the octave. So D minor, flat 5, and 7. If we start from F, F plus 3 semitones plus 4 semitones, and D is 3 semitones from the octave, so F minor 6. Find the following chord sequence. Convert it to the Roman numerals, transpose it to the following intervals. A. Major third up, B. Perfect fifth up. C chord, C, E, G. AM chord, A plus 3 semitones equals to C, plus 4 semitones is E. D minor 7 chord, D plus 3 semitones, F plus 4 semitones, A, and minus 2 semitones from the octave is C. G7, G plus 4 semitones is B, plus 3 semitones is D, and minus 2 semitones from the octave is F. C7 is C, E, G, and B flat, minus 2 semitones from the octave. F chord is F plus 4 semitones, A plus 3 semitones, C. And D7 chord is D plus 4 semitones, F sharp plus 3 semitones, A minus 2 semitones from the octave is C. Let's play the sequence of these chords. You will hear 4 beats. Okay, now the Roman numerals are the following. Major third is 4 semitones, so the first scale we want to go is C plus 4 semitones, so E major scale. What's our next step? We must find the key signature of E major scale. we must first find the leading tone, one semitone down, so D sharp, and say the sharps poem until D sharp. F, C, G, D sharps. This is E major scale, and the numerals are these. The chord sequence is the following. Now you must do all the steps we did in the first part of the exercise in order to find the chords. Do it and see the results below. E major, E, G sharp, B. C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp. F sharp minor 7, F sharp, A, C sharp, E. B major 7, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. E7, E, G sharp, B, D. A major, A, C sharp, E. And F major 7 is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and E. Let's play the sequence of these chords. You will hear 4 beats. Now we have to go a fifth perfect over C. So we go to G major scale. And the key signature is F sharp. Here are the numerals. And the chord sequence is the following. Try now to find the chords and see the results below. G major, G, B, D. E minor, E, G, B. A minor 7, A, C, E, G. D7, D, F sharp, A, C. G7, G, B, D, F. C major, C, E, G. A major 7, A, C sharp, E, G. Let's now play the sequence of these chords. You will hear 4 beats. Let's get a bit more into the chord inversions and see them on the keyboard. This is C major chord. And it is on the root position as we said. C is the bass note. If we take this C and take it an octave higher, we will have the first inversion. And now E is the bass note. Now, if we take E an octave higher, we will have the second inversion and our bass note is G now. Let's take it a bit further. We said that the basic chords of a scale are first, fourth, and fifth. In C major, it's C major chord, C, E, G, F major chord, F, A, C, and G major chord, G, B, D. Let's listen to C, F, G, C connection. Do you hear that we have a melodic jump between them? Now, we will make this connection more melodic. C root position is here. You see that C is a common note for C and F major chords. So, if I use the same C for F major, the two other notes needed are F and A. This is the second inversion of F major. Let's hear it. C root position and F second inversion. Let's see G major also. G, B, D. We must find the closest position for G chord to the other two. If I take the first inversion, we have B, D, G. Hear the connection. So we have C root position, F second inversion, and G first inversion. It is very useful to see also on the keyboard how notes connect. Listen to it. Now it's your turn. We had C chord root position and found how we play F and G. Go to the first inversion for C chord and find the positions for F and G. And then go to C second inversion and find again F and G. Pause the video, do your study, and then start it again to see if we have the same results. Okay, let's see now. C chord's first inversion, E, G, C. We keep the C note that it is common, and F chord is F, A, C, root position. G chord is D, G, B, second inversion. Hear and see now the chord connection. C chord second inversion is G, C, E. We keep again the C note that it is common with F, so F is A, C, and F, first inversion. And G chord is in root position, G, B, D. Hear and see the chord connection. Do you hear how melodic is the new result when we use chord inversions?